If you're looking for glass frame alarm clocks, this video is for you. My name is Emma, your personal guide. Welcome to our channel. At any time you can click this circle in the corner, and get more info and real-time deals on your favorite products. Ready? Let's start. Number 1, Most Popular, by Egundo. Watch this video, choose your favorite. Number 2, by Howard Miller. Number 3, by Salton. For more info about this great alarm clocks, just click this circle. Number 4, by Empire Art Direct. Number 5, also by Empire Art Direct. For more great related products, full details and online deals, just click this circle.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.